Hey you guys, it's Molly from Molly's Artistry. I had some new subscribers that were saying, we never see your face. So here it is. For those that have been with me for a while, you know I'm a fluid artist in South Florida, work a little bit in resin, mostly with acrylic paints. I always list all my pouring mediums and everything below my video. You can always reach out to me for questions. But my channel is really just about inspiring others and myself to make beautiful artwork and to spread positivity. It's what I'm here about. So hello for those that don't know me. Hello again for those that do. Thanks for sticking with me. So today I'm going to be doing a 3 foot by 3 foot canvas and ocean colors again, because that's my series that I'm getting ready for my show. And I'm going to have a little bit of orange and yellow and pink in there today to try to simulate some coral reefs. So I'm super excited about it. All right, thanks you guys. I'll see you in a sec. All right, hi you guys. I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'll list all my colors and everything out below. I have painted the edges because when I'm working with thinner paints, the edges themselves sometimes don't get covered as well. My idea is to have this part kind of a dark blue, this part kind of an aqua, and then to have some kind of yellows and oranges in there as well. So we'll see what actually comes out here. I'm working in, I have a little bit of Paynes gray. I don't know if I'm gonna have a ton of that in this pour, just because I want it to be kind of lighter and airy. But we'll see what actually happens. Got my aqua that I'm gonna have over in this area. Blue up in this area. Hope I'm gonna have enough paint for this. This is what I mixed up. I may have to mix up some more. I think I'll do just a little bit of Paynes gray maybe in this corner. By little, I guess I meant a lot. So this is a 3 foot by 3 foot canvas. Working a little bit larger here. I'm just going to do a little bit of white for now. And then the rest I'm going to do with all my colors. So let's see how this is going to start. base layer that I've got right here. I got a couple of little bubbles. I wanted to blow a lot of the paint off of the canvas. And I just had one little blob that was over there. But the cells in this are amazing already. Oops. I wonder if you guys, if I can take you down like mid-camera and show you. Oh, you guys can definitely see it there. Yeah, it's beautiful. And I'll show you the final result as well. But now, gosh, I really don't even want to come in with any other colors at this point. It's really, really pretty the way it is. Well, you gotta experiment and you gotta try it out. So, so I like that it's dark over here. I like that it's like light kind of aqua over here. So I think I'm just gonna figure out where to put my little pops of color for the simulation of coral reef, and then we'll go from there. This is like a yellow orange that I mixed together. This yellow is a little bit bright, so I'm not going to do much of it at all. And it's got a little bit of gold in there. And then on this side, I think maybe just one little. Oops, I'll blow that off. And then back with some white. So you guys can layer these pores however you want. And the layering really, for me, gives a lot of depth. Oh, I don't want this to, well, I'll end up blowing it. I don't want it to come out like a starburst. I want it to feel kind of organic. All right, let me blow this out a little bit more and see what. really, really like it. All right, let me hold my hair. Okay. I'll take you guys down so you can see what it looks like. I really, really like it. Very tropical feeling. So I'll start you, let me see if I need to do an autofocus or not. Nope. Okay, so there's all kinds of little tiny cell action that's happening. I like the colors that ended up, and I'll show you guys the dried result. You can check it out on my social media. I like the layering of the colors that are right here. My white's reacting the way that I want it to. There's all my little cells right here. This corner down here is really pretty. The lacing. But sorry, there's a light in the way, but that is the overall look of it. And I love this little like sunburst of color up there. That's my favorite corner. All right. You guys let me know. It's a different color scheme, again, for me. But I'm just loving it. I have to hold this up so high. All right, you guys. Thank you for watching. Happy painting.